Hi, my name is Kirsten Schwartz. This is Abacus Lesson 3, and I will be beginning with my multiplication. And if we were doing a pencil and paper method, normally we would divide from right to left, but I will be dividing in this from left to right. So the first problem is 6 times 4, and since 6 times 4 has 2 digits, 6 times 4, we're going to start here in the second column. And my simple math tells me that 6 times 4 is 24, so I'm going to start in that second column and set a 2 and a 4 for 24. Okay, next we have 3 times 20. We have 3 digits, so 3, 2, 0, we're starting in that third column. And so we're going to first of all say 3 times 2 is 6. And so working in these columns first, then this is going to be my tens and my ones. So 3 times 2 is 6, so we're going to set a 6 in the ones column. And then next we say, and 3 times 0 is 0. So our answer is 60. Next I have 2 times 174. So 2174. We're going to start in this column. We're going to start with 2 times 1. So since the 2 is in the ones column, we're going to mark it here. Then we're going to have 2 times 7, which is 14. So this becomes our tens column. This is our ones column. And then 2 times 4 is 8, giving us an answer of 348, which is correct. Okay, next we're going to do some division. So in doing division, we're going to put the dividend over here and the divisor over here. So my first problem is 18 divided by 3. So I'm going to put an 18. And on this far side, I'm going to put a 3. So I'm going to say, well, 3, it can't go into 1. It has to go directly into 18. 3 goes into 18. Well, I know from my math that 3 times 6 is 18. I'm going to leave an empty column here so things don't run together. I'm going to put a 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. I'm going to minus out that 18. I have nothing left, and my answer is 6. My next problem is 60 divided by 5. I'm going to set my 60 here, and my 5 on this side. So I'm going to say, well, 5 goes into 6 one time, and 5 times 1 is 5. So I'm going to take away the 5, leaving the 1. Now I say 5 goes into 10, 1, 0, 2 times. I'm going to mark that here. 5 times 2 is 10. I'm going to minus that out. I have nothing left, and the answer is 12. Lastly, I have 3,618. So that's going to be 3,618 divided by 6. So the first thing is 6 cannot go into 3. So we're going to go directly into 6, goes into 36. And my math tells me that 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to mark my 6 here. 6 times 6 is 36. So I'm going to go ahead and minus that out. Now I'm going to say 6 goes into 1. Well, it goes in 0 times. So I'm going to remember that this is a 0. 6 times 0 is 0. So I'm going to minus out 0. I have the same thing. 6 goes into 18. My math tells me that 6 goes into 18 3 times because 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 3 here, being careful not to overrun that 0. So 6 times 3 is 18. I'm going to minus out 18. I have nothing left. And my answer is 603. Okay, thank you very much.
What is this? Say.